welcome back. I am excited to share my Christmas home tour with you guys today. Decorating seasonally is something I look forward to, and this is the first Christmas in our home here in Florida. Last Christmas, we actually moved down here on Christmas Day. We drove down with all our stuff, so we didn't have too much of a Christmas last year, but I'm so excited to be able to share it with you guys this year. I hope this gives you guys some encouragement and inspiration. I just enjoy Christmas. I love the meaning of Christmas, just remembering why we are celebrating it, and I just hope that this can be something meaningful for our family this year. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys the first level of our home. I didn't really do anything upstairs, so I'll be showing you guys what I did down here. But if you're new, I'd love if you would subscribe, and if you enjoy this video, share it with your friends. That would mean a lot to me. All right, I'm gonna go start outside and just show you all my entryway. So I kept it pretty simple outside. I just have a small little entryway here. The tree I just picked up from Lowe's. It is actually a real tree, so I just kind of stuck it in some dirt to hopefully keep it a little longer. The rug is from Home Goods, and then the joy sign is one that I had made years ago, soon after we were married. So it's just a DIY project, I guess. And then I have this lantern here and some real fresh greens as well. On the door, I have a wreath that I found at Goodwill earlier this summer, and I think it looks nice against the gray. So I wanted to give you a couple more details as far as where some things are from. This shelf is a Facebook Marketplace find, but it is the Ikea Vittsjo shelf. You can find one very similar still on their website or in the store. I found that cute little tree on top there at Goodwill, and the Highland cow picture is from Kirkland's. I have had it numerous places, or at least above my sofa for a while, but I kind of moved it up here, and I really love how it looks. Moving on down, I don't know how much detail I'll give you here. There's just some things from random places. The brass candlesticks are some that I've thrifted over the years, and I just like having different varying heights. It adds some sparkle. So this nativity set came from Target. I believe it was like $20, so it was their cheaper one. They have one that has like the shepherds and different things like that as well if you're curious, but I'll try to link some things down below if I can. The little houses came from Target Dollar Spot like last year maybe, and so then I just have some thrifted wooden bowls here with some ornaments and the cute little bird that I've had for a long time, as well as a couple baskets on the bottom shelf. So as far as the sofa and the shelf and everything, the sofa is from Article and I love it. The coffee table is one that my uncle made for me. I've got a lot of questions on it, so unfortunately I don't have a link for you. The shelf above the sofa is one that we made ourselves, and we just stained it, and it's just like one of those lip style shelves. And that way I can switch out art seasonally, which is usually what I do. This time I added greens to it and also have a free printable. I think it was free. Maybe I paid a couple dollars for this joy sign. I think it was off of Etsy maybe. But I have the poster of the barn that's from Ikea, and I just put it in a thrifted Goodwill frame. Now moving on to the pillows, I have these velvet pillow covers that are from Amazon, and I think they're the dark green, and I do have them. I'll link them down below, but they are in my Amazon store. However, last I checked, they were out of stock, and I'm thinking you guys maybe did that. So maybe they'll restock. I don't know. They do have a lot of other colors, and I love the pom-pom velvet ones. They tend to run a little big, so keep that in mind. For my coffee table, I have this setup going on here, which I showed in a previous video, so I won't go into a lot of detail, but I love the just the natural elements as well as a little bit of sparkle just to add some coziness. And this vase I got from Home Goods on clearance. The tree is one that we got from Lowe's this year, and I forget what the name is of it, but they have it in the store right now, and I think it looks pretty realistic, which I love the realistic natural feel of them. I didn't really want a ton of stuff on it. I just like it to be a little bit less full and just kind of going with my neutral color palette that I have here with some pops of copper and things like that. These candlesticks are some I just picked up at Ikea here a week or two ago. They are really nice. I love these. And also the pillow cover Season's Greetings one is from Joann Fabrics. They had a good sale while I was in there the other week, and so I grabbed that one. I love pillow covers. So on the stairs, I had this cedar garland that is from Target. They have, I think they might have this stuff in the store sometimes, but sometimes not. They have another variety as well if you're curious. As far as this table, I love this scent of candle. I'm not even sure what it is, but I got it at Home Goods, as well as the black reindeer there. And my collection of trees are from various different places, but I just love it. This wreath, I made this one as a DIY. I saw that Hearth and Hand had one. The Magnolia line had one similar. This one is not as nice, but I had fun making one with my friend Hannah. She made one as well. So here you can kind of see the garland just a little bit better. Definitely check Target if you're looking for something more realistic. And then as far as my dining room table, I have it really simple. I just have this little gold vase that is from Target and some more cedar. I just love this real looking stuff, and yet it's not real. That means I can kind of use it year after year. The table runner is also from Target if you're curious. So moving into the kitchen, I know some of you have seen some parts of this. I have a little hot cocoa station here, and I really love it. I generally try to keep my counters more clear, but this is something that I am enjoying, and I just love it. If you want more details on it, feel free to watch the last Decorate with me, and then that'll give you more details on that. So this is what it's looking like over here. As far as on the windowsill, there is this little wreath. I picked up 2 of these at Joann's. They were a couple dollars, and it's that cedar stuff, and I really love that. So as well as there in the corner, that one was from Home Goods, the red vase thing. This cart is an Ikea cart. You can also find some similar elsewhere, but if I think about all of this, I will try to link as much as I can, but no promises. If you have questions, let me know. This wreath on the door was Home Goods as well, so won't be able to have a link for that, but I just think wreaths automatically make it more Christmassy and festive. So in this back room, I didn't do a whole lot, but I did put a little bit of stuff here on my TV stand underneath the screen. The tree is one that I've had for several years, and then I just have some more of that cedar stuff. I think I picked that up at Target. It's just some cedar picks or bunches, I guess. It does have some blueberries in it. I do love this little tree. I did not put any ornaments on it. I actually almost prefer it without the lights, but we got that one at Lowe's, and I think it's just a 5 to 6 foot one. I love the real tree, but I've never actually done a real one, so I'm not sure how long I'll keep it alive. If you have any tips, let me know. I put this plaid throw on here that I found at Goodwill. It doesn't especially go with my carpet, but it does have some red in it. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna put it on the couch. It makes it look a little bit more festive. And this tray, I'm trying to remember, where did I get that? Oh goodness, I don't remember. I just found it recently. So if I think about it, I'll try to link it if I can. But that's just kind of a look at our little back family room. I did move our green cabinet out into the laundry room because I was kind of tired of it. I just felt like it filled up the space and made it look a little bit more cluttered. So I may not move it back in there. And so yeah, I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a glimpse, you know, into our home for this Christmas season. And I just truly love how it all turned out. That's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed my Christmas home tour. If you haven't watched some of my other videos as far as decorating and stuff, definitely go watch those if you would like. And if you're new, I would love to have you subscribe. I'm excited to just keep sharing with you guys as much as I can. Baby girl hopefully will make her appearance sometime after Christmas, I'm hoping. But I'm excited. I feel like I want this Christmas season to be special, something that is meaningful for all of us, and just to remember the true meaning of Christmas, the wonderful gift that was given to us on Christmas. I just hope you guys will enjoy this Christmas season and be able to spend it with your family and just have a really good and blessed Christmas. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.